and welcome to CapCAN's College Couch Corner. My name is Leah Fast, and I serve at Maple Valley Junior Senior High School along with Relevant Academy of Eaton County. Today I'm going to talk to you about my 5 tips and tricks when it comes to college. So first, when you schedule your classes, make sure that you have a map on hand so that you can look at distances from hall to hall. You don't want to find out on that first day that 10 minutes is not enough time to get you from your first class to your second. Second, try to make a friend in each class. Maybe easier said than done, but that person will come in handy if you're sick and can't make it to class and need notes. Third, meet your professors. If they can put a face to your name when you communicate them, they will usually give you more leniency. Make sure that you're up front and communicate with your professors. That way they can know what's going on and then most likely they will understand. Fourth, read your syllabus. You'll get one in every class, and be sure to take the time to read it and learn each professor's policy. They are not all the same. Some will welcome technology like laptops and some will not. Make sure you know what your professor prefers. Another important part about the syllabus is important dates. Your syllabus will have dates when big projects are due and when tests will be held. I would take the time to put those dates in your calendar, whether it be your phone, your laptop, or an old-fashioned planner, so that you're not surprised when those dates come up and that you can plan stuff out. So fifth, I'm very much a visual person, so it was very helpful to me to color code my classes in my planner. I would use that same color for whatever binder or notebook that I would take to class. It is key to be organized, and it will be very helpful in the end. Thank you so much for watching.